Yeah, man. Oh Lord, feel the island breeze tonight. Hear the drums, hear the ocean calling. Every heart got a story, every love got a rhythm. And when I'm close to you, me hear it loud and clear, that heartbeat rhythm. Oh yeah, I remember the first time I saw your face, standing like an angel in a beautiful place. The sun was shining, the birds were singing. Something about you made my heart start ringing. Me never knew love could feel so strong, like a sweet melody in a reggae song. You came into my life like a summer rain, washing away all my old pain. We say, girl, you bring peace to my soul. You make a broken heart feel whole. Every little moment that we share together, I pray it could last forever. When you hold my hand, I feel alright, like a star shining in the darkest nights. No matter where this journey goes, my heart already knows. It's the heartbeat rhythm beating for you tonight, like a reggae drum underneath the moonlight. Every time you smile, every time you move, my heart finds a brand new groove. It's the heartbeat rhythm, a melody so true. The whole world fades away when I'm standing with you, through every season, through every storm. Your love keeps my heart warm. Oh yeah, me feel the rhythm, me feel the love. Walking by the ocean with you by my side, watching the waves as they move with the tide. Palm trees dancing in the Caribbean breeze. Your love bringing me down to my knees. Me tell you, girl, you're my favorite song, one I sing when the night feels long. No diamond shine, no treasure gold could replace the love that my heart holds. Through the struggles and the rainy days, I'll stand with you in a thousand ways. When the world feels heavy and times get tough, I remind you that our love is enough. It's the heartbeat rhythm beating for you tonight, like a reggae drum underneath the moonlight. Every time you smile, every time you move, my heart finds a brand new groove. It's the heartbeat rhythm, a melody so true. The whole world fades away when I'm standing with you, through every season, through every storm. Your love keeps my heart warm. Some people search their whole life long, looking for where they truly belong, but I found my home inside your eyes. A love that reaches beyond the skies. Me know nothing in life is perfect, no, but with you beside me, I'm ready to grow. Every scar, every tear, every yesterday led me right here to this beautiful day. The rhythm of love is a powerful thing, like birds in the morning when they start to sing. It doesn't need riches, it doesn't need fame, it only needs two hearts feeling the same. Oh girl, listen to the sound tonight, the ocean waves and the stars so bright. Can you hear what the universe say? True love is never far away. Me promise to cherish your heart, even when the distance keeps us apart. No matter the road, no matter the weather, we'll keep dancing together, yeah. It's the heartbeat rhythm, oh. under the Caribbean sky. People will talk, people will judge, but they don't know the love we share. So let the music play, let the drums speak, because no matter what they say, we remember when we first meet by the seaside. Your beautiful smile, you had nothing to hide. The waves were dancing, the stars were bright, two hearts connecting under moonlight. People said we wouldn't last too long. They said our love was just a simple song, but they never saw the tears we cried. They never saw how we stood side by side. Me know love ain't always easy, girl. Sometimes we fight against the whole world, but every challenge that comes our way only makes our love stronger every day. Let them whisper, let them talk, let them say what they want to say. They don't know the journey we walk, they don't know the love we made. No matter what they say, I will love you anyway. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll be standing by your name. No matter what they do, my heart still belongs to you. Let the world turn away, our love will find a way. Oh girl, no matter what they say, our love will never fade away. Me hear the voices saying leave her behind, but they don't know what's inside my mind. They don't know the memories we created, they don't know the nights we celebrated. When I was broken, you gave me light, you stayed with me through the darkest night. When the road was rough and the journey was long, you gave me a reason to keep moving on. Me not perfect and you're not too, but real love means making it true. Not every storm will break the tree, sometimes the roots grow stronger underneath. No matter what they say, I will love you anyway. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll be standing by your name. No matter what they do, my heart still belongs to you. Let the world turn away, our love will find a way. The ocean knows the secrets we keep, the promises we made running deep. The moon remembers every night when you held my hand and made everything right. We said people only see the outside, they don't know the feelings we keep inside. They don't know the battles we have won, they don't know how far we have come. So let them talk, let them judge, we won't let their words become a grudge. Because love is stronger than any sound, and true hearts always stand their ground. Girl, if the whole world turns around, I'll still be there when you're feeling down. If the rain falls and the skies turn gray, I'll walk with you through every day. Me promise you, me heart is true. There's no one else I choose but you. Through every season, through every fight, you are my morning and my night. Let say. Love will always find a way. Yeah, man. People may talk, people may doubt, but when two hearts are true, nothing can break them apart. No matter what they say, me love you anyway.
Yeah, man. Oh, Lord. Late night by the ocean, the moon shining bright, but my heart still calling your name. Yeah. Some people say love comes and goes, but some love stays forever, girl. I can't let you go. Me remember the first time you looked in my eyes. Felt like a blessing falling from the skies. Your smile brought sunshine into my day. Your love chased all my worries away. I gave you my heart, I gave you my trust. Built our dreams from love and dust. Through every struggle, through every fight, you were my star in the darkest night. People tell me, brother, move along, but they don't know where my heart belongs. They don't know the memories we made. They don't know the promises we said. Every song on the radio reminds me of you. Every ocean breeze brings back memories too. I try to walk away, I try to be strong, but my heart keeps singing your song. I can't let you go, no matter how hard I try. Your love is a river that flows inside, a feeling I can't deny. I can't let you go. You're the rhythm in my soul. Even when the night gets cold, your love keeps me warm. Oh girl, my heart still calls your name. Nothing ever feels the same. I can't let you go. Oh, yeah, yeah. We walk along the beach where we used to stay, watching the sunset fade away. The palm trees whisper the love we knew. Every little place reminds me of you. We know we had moments when things got tough. Sometimes love gets rough, but real love is enough. We made mistakes, we learned from pain, but I still believe we can dance again. Me not looking for a perfect God, just someone who won't tear mine apart. Because what we built was something rare, a love that's too precious to disappear. I can't let you go, no matter how hard I try. Your love is a river that flows inside, a feeling I can't deny. I can't let you go. You're the rhythm in my soul. Even when the night gets cold, your love keeps me warm. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow will bring a new day. Maybe our hearts will find a way. The storms may come and the skies may fall, but true love can survive it all. But say, girl, remember the laughter, remember the dreams we were chasing after. Remember the nights beneath the stars, when nothing in this world felt too far. I don't wanna lose what we created, a love that was never overrated. You're not just a chapter in my story, you're a part of my heart and my glory. Oh girl, listen to the heartbeat sound. Love like this is hard to find around. The world can change and time can move, but my heart still belongs to you. But pray for peace, but pray for life, but pray can't let you go. You're the love I've always known. Through the rain and through the storm, you still feel like home. I can't let you go, even when the distance grows. The love inside my heart will show, because you're the one I know. Yeah, we can't let you go. We can't let you go. Yeah, yeah, man. Some people leave, some memories fade, some love stays forever. Under the island moon, with the ocean singing low, our heart still whispers, I can't let you go. You're my everything, oh Lord. Under the Caribbean stars tonight, the waves are singing, the breeze is calling, and my heart is only one thing to say. Girl, you're my everything. Me remember the day when you walked in my life, like a beautiful sunrise after a long cold night. Your smile brought hope, your love brought peace. You gave my troubled heart a sweet release. Me was searching for something real and true, then destiny brought me closer to you. No fancy words, no promises to pretend, just two hearts knowing they found a friend. Me tell it, girl, you are my blessing, the answer to every prayer I was sending. Through every high and every low, you're the only love I want to know. When the world gets heavy and the road gets long, your love gives me the strength to carry on. Every heartbeat, every breath I take reminds me of the love we make. You're my everything, my sunshine and my rain, the reason I smile again, the comfort through my pain. You're my everything, the rhythm in my soul, the missing piece of my heart that finally made me whole. Oh girl, no treasure could compare, no other love could be this rare. You're my everything. We don't need diamonds shining in the night, or a mansion standing way up high. Give me your hand, give me your heart, that's where my happiness will start. We'll dance together when the reggae plays, create memories through all our days. When the rain falls and the skies turn gray, I'll hold you close and never walk away. Me know life can bring a storm sometimes, but true love grows through the hardest times. With you beside me, I feel strong. Together is where my heart belongs. You're my everything, my sunshine and my rain, the reason I smile again, the comfort through my pain. You're my everything, the rhythm in my soul, the love that keeps me dreaming, the love that makes me whole. The moon may change and the seasons may turn, but this love is a fire that will always burn. The ocean waves may rise and fall, but my heart will answer when you call. Me see your beauty beyond your eyes, I see your heart, your spirit, your light. You stood with me when days were hard, you helped me heal every broken scar. People may come and people may go, but the love we have continues to grow. 1,000
can wash away the love we share. Me promise you, I'll always be true. My heart found its home with you, under the stars, beside the sea. You are my forever melody. You're my everything, the dream I never knew, the brightest part of my life, the love that pulled me through. You're my everything, my heart, my soul, my song. With you right beside me, I know where I belong. Oh yeah, forever I will sing. You're my everything. Yeah, man. The stars will keep shining, the waves will keep rolling, and my heart will keep saying, you are my love, you are my dream, you're my everything. You're my everything. Oh Lord, under the Caribbean stars tonight, the waves are singing, the breeze is calling, and my heart is only one thing to say. Girl, you're my everything. Me remember the day when you walked in my life, like a beautiful sunrise after a long cold night. Your smile brought hope, your love brought peace. You gave my troubled heart a sweet release. Me was searching for something real and true, then destiny brought me closer to you. No fancy words, no promises to pretend, just two hearts knowing they found a friend. Me tell it, girl, you are my blessing, the answer to every prayer I was sending. Through every high and every low, you're the only love I want to know. When the world gets heavy and the road gets long, your love gives me the strength to carry on. Every heartbeat, every breath I take reminds me of the love we make. You're my everything, my sunshine and my rain, the reason I smile again, the comfort through my pain. You're my everything, the rhythm in my soul, the missing piece of my heart that finally made me whole. Oh girl, no treasure could compare, no other love could be this rare. You're my everything. We don't need diamonds shining in the night, or a mansion standing way up high. Give me your hand, give me your heart, that's where my happiness will start. We'll dance together when the reggae plays, create memories through all our days. When the rain falls and the skies turn gray, I'll hold you close and never walk away. Me know life can bring a storm sometimes, but true love grows through the hardest times. With you beside me, I feel strong. Together is where my heart belongs. You're my everything, my sunshine and my rain, the reason I smile again, the comfort through my pain. You're my everything, the rhythm in my soul, the love that keeps me dreaming, the love that makes me whole. The moon may change and the seasons may turn, but this love is a fire that will always burn. The ocean waves may rise and fall, but my heart will answer when you call. Me see your beauty beyond your eyes, I see your heart, your spirit, your light. wash away the love we share. Me promise you I'll always be true. My heart found its home with you, under the stars, beside the sea. You are my forever melody. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. You're my everything, the dream I never knew, the brightest part of my life, the love that pulled me through. You're my everything, my heart, my soul, my song. With you right beside me, I know where I belong. Oh yeah, forever I will sing. You're my everything. Yeah, man. The stars will keep shining, the waves will keep rolling, and my heart will keep saying, you are my love, you are my dream, you're my everything.
Yeah, man. Oh, Lord. Under the island moon tonight, the music playing, the stars are shining. Come closer, my love. Let the rhythm take control. Just you and me. One dance forever. Whoa. Me remember the night when I saw you there, standing so beautiful with the ocean there. The lights were glowing, the waves were near, and your sweet voice was all I could hear. Me ask you gently, dance with me tonight. You smiled at me under the moonlight. From that moment my heart knew the way. I wanted that feeling forever to stay. No fancy words, no promises to prove, just two hearts moving in the same groove. Every step, every touch, every little glance felt like we were born for this dance. So hold me close, don't let me go. Let the island rhythm flow. Forget the world, forget the time. Tonight your heart is next to mine. One dance forever, that's all I need with you. One love together, a dream that feels so true. Under the stars, beside the sea. Yo, yeah, my heart wants to be through every season, every weather. Let's share one dance forever. Oh yeah. Me feel the rhythm, me feel the love, me feel the rhythm. Oh yeah. Me don't need gold, me don't need fame. All I need is you calling my name. Your love is sweeter than the morning sun, a beautiful journey that has just begun. When life gets hard and the road gets rough, I remind you that our love is enough. When the rain falls and the skies turn gray, I'll hold you close and dance anyway. The palm trees sway with the Caribbean breeze. Your love brings my heart to peace. Every heartbeat sounds like a song. With you beside me, I know where I belong. One dance forever, that's all I need with you. One love together, a dream that feels so true. Under the stars, beside the sea. You're where my heart wants to be, through every season, every weather. Let's share one dance forever. Maybe someday our hair turn gray, but I still hold your hand the same way. We'll look back on the memories we made, every promise, every love parade. Me say true love
start. The same rhythm beating in my heart. Oh girl, come closer tonight. Let me hold you under the moonlight. The music may fade, the night may end, but my love for you will never bend. Me promise to cherish every day, to love you more in every way. No matter where this journey goes, my heart will always follow yours. Oh, One dance forever, one love that never dies. A story written together under Caribbean skies. Oh, one dance forever, your hand inside of mine. Through every storm and every sunrise, our hearts will always shine. Oh yeah. One dance forever, forever you and me. Yeah man, the song may end, the night may fade, but the love we share will keep dancing forever. One dance, one heart, one love forever.